The RAM 1500 Low Voltage Lockout immobilizes your truck, but you can clear it by fully charging both batteries and performing a 30-minute hard reset. This lockout occurs when the intelligent battery sensor detects a critical voltage drop, usually from a failing auxiliary battery. To protect the electronic modules, the main computer simply shuts down all starting capabilities. First, address the power deficit directly at the source. Put a smart charger on the main battery under the hood and let it reach a 100% charge. Since the main and auxiliary batteries are linked in parallel, charging the main usually brings the auxiliary up to operating voltage. If the auxiliary battery is completely dead, you must replace it before resetting. With proper voltage verified, you must wipe the volatile memory in the powertrain control module. Disconnect the negative cables from both the main and auxiliary batteries. Isolate these cables carefully so they cannot touch any metal surfaces. Leave them disconnected for a full 30 minutes to allow all the capacitors inside the computer modules to drain their stored energy. After 30 minutes, reconnect the negative terminals and tighten them securely. Get into the driver's seat and cycle the ignition to the run position without starting the engine. Plug in an OBD2 scanner and clear any stored undervoltage codes from the system memory. You can now start your truck and get back on the road.